Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian coming to you with the next video, and in this video I would like to show you a very nice item on CNFans for a very attractive price. Let me show you quick how it all looks like. I was looking for Timberlands, affordable Timberlands, and this is what I stumbled across. As you can see, here are the Timberlands listed for just $31 US, and as you can see, you have all sizes and colors available with different sizes as well. So be sure to check out this offer. You have the link down in the description. And now I would like to show you how the shoes look like. By the way, guys, if you're looking for a lot of links with high quality products, check out this Panda by Finds group on Telegram. You have the link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment section. This group has 630,000 users. There's loads of different links with high quality products, as you can see. So they arrived and this is how the shoes look like. As you can see, here is the leather. It's like a real leather, it's not like a fake leather or anything. This is just a real leather. The stitching is nice and clean, as you can see here in the back. And yeah, I just got myself this black version, which looks very elegant. I love how it all looks like and works like. These shoes are absolutely beautiful. You have this tongue which is climbing up here, and yeah, inside this is how it all looks like. You also have such a waterproof guarantee sticker here, and yeah, it all looks just quite nice. Inside there's also the size and everything. You can just take a look at it, and this is just real leather here as well, and it all looks just beautiful. Also take a look at the labels inside. This is how it all looks like. And these are in the size 49 European, and yeah, I absolutely have no complaints about them. They fit me just fine, I have no issues whatsoever, and yeah, everything looks good. The sole is also very nice. As you can see, it's very thick and there is no glue coming out or anything. Everything looks just as intended, and it's very thick and nice and really just premium quality. It all arrived to me in such a box. As you can see, you can just see how it all looks like. It's very nice. It's signatured as the Timberlands in size 8.5 US. And in here you also have such more information about the shoes, like this message available in English and French as well. And besides the paper, yeah, this is how it all performs and looks like. We have another shoe here. We just have some more papers and stuff like this. So yeah, overall these shoes are very solid. I really just enjoy looking at them and just wearing them. They all look just nice. And let's also see if they're really just waterproof, or is it just the thing that it says to me. We are, guys, testing the waterproof features of the shoes. Let's see if they're really just waterproof, and to be honest, they're not. There's a different variant on the market where you can get Timberlands. It's not a big problem, because if you spray them with like the waterproof spray, they will be waterproof. So is it a problem? I don't think so. So here we have it, guys, the Timberlands on CNFans listed for such money. Take a look at this, consider them. Maybe they're worth it, maybe they're not. To be honest with you, as for this price, they're just amazing. Like the quality materials and stuff, they look just nice. And yeah, if you spray them, they will be waterproof, so consider this. Let me know in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye!